Where are we going, family? Where are we going, family?
We're going to the beach.
Carter's first time at the beach. Mom and Dad are clearly dressed. I don't have Carter dressed. I'm gonna dress him in the car. I don't want to stress him. He's been up. We forgot. I was busy packing and all that stuff, so he's been up for 4.5 hours. I just want him to go to sleep in the car. But we're at the car. Gonna get packed and head out. Look at him. We've made it to the beach. You have some sunscreen on? Look at those legs. Ooh. He says, Daddy's leaving. Let's go. So we finally made it to the beach, but not after some fiasco. So we go to where we see the umbrella place, and he's like, we don't accept card. All right, we get it, you know, whatever. So we go, he tells us where the ATM is. It's far. So we get to the ATM, then we come all the way back to that spot because, again, it's close to the car. And he's like, oh, we're finished, we're done. So we go to the one where it says information, beach chairs, yada yada, all in Italian. And he's like, we're finished too. And I'm like, yo, we just walked a lifetime. Like, I have on a dress and I got thick thighs, so you know what that means. And so we walked, he said 50 meters down. We went to 50 meters, we went 50 more meters, and we finally got this guy to sell us some beach chairs and umbrellas. So now the beach can officially start. He said, Daddy, why are you putting the stuff on me? He's like, somebody did not sweep the floor? Who's in charge?
It's not recording yet. Now it is.
It was. Oh, this is so cold. Hey, Bears. Uh-oh. Come here, Bears. Slow down, slow down. Oh, look at the feet. Look at the feet. Your foot is stuck. Man down, man down. Oh, you're in water, Bears. How you feeling? It's cold, y'all. He's like, I'm stuck. How you feel? They're right next to a little pier. It's a real nice day. Kind of reminds me of Daytona. Bear said, I'm stuck. He's stuck. Oh.
can't have glass out. Gotta do what you gotta do. Pouring into a red sauce.
It's the American way. That's a little wade pool. I don't know what that is. Okay, babe, it's cold. It's AM. It's Carter's first time having some gelatos. He loves it. It's good. We're basic. We get vanilla every time. What do you get, John?
And get that chocolate. The chocolato.
He's loving gelato ever. Oh, yummies. Milky Milkers? Milky Milks? Yes? You watching your show? Milky Milks? Oh, I'll stop teasing you. So, we are back from Carter's first day at the beach, and we actually tried a new beach, Just Hello Beach. Normally we go to Bibione. It's all the same water, I think. I feel confident saying that. But it was good. Like, the only thing was, in Italy, they don't wear swim diapers. Like, their kids don't wear swim diapers. Like, they just let everybody go naked, which is cool. However, I want my son to wear swim diapers. I know there's just too many weirdos in the world, and I don't want him to be subject to that, of somebody's pervy thoughts or whatever. So we had swim diapers on him, and I don't know, like, you put him on a swim diaper and then they get wet. Then you go like eat snacks, and I'm just confused a little on when do you take it off? Do you switch it? He didn't like, so his swimsuit, he waded in and then he like sat down in the water. So his bottom half was wet, and as you know, it's trying to dry off, it's continuing to be soaking down until it dries out. So I just didn't know how like that would work. Yeah. So that was the only issue. We had plenty of regular diapers, like 4 or 5 swim diapers. We used 2, and he had like sand. He's like right down here drinking. Yeah, so it was good. He cried a little bit, like he didn't want to leave, and I was like, dude, your dad's falling asleep. I may have to drive. Like, we gotta go. So that was interesting. Like, he actually liked it. He likes bath time too, so we're not surprised. But it was a good day. Now it's time to unpack. Like, I literally walked through the door, took him straight to the bath because he had sand in all his goody parts. I had sand. Like, it was just not fun, and that'd just be another thing for him to complain about. And you gotta, my mom always said, anticipate your kids' needs. So I'm being very anticipatory. So I'm gonna go unpack all this crap. John is in the kitchen. You can hear the aluminum foil. He's preparing a brisket that he's gonna cook tomorrow for Father's Day. I asked him what he wanted to cook. He said, well, I wanna be on the grill. You just make all my favorite sides. I was like, deal. So that's all, folks.